Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M14 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and here it doesn't really matter if we will be on the video, photo, portrait mode or something. I just wanted to also show you the grid lines before we will reset the option. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after the resetting. So in order to find proper option, we have to enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner. Let's tap on it. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find reset settings. Let's tap on it and tap on reset. And as you can see, we just immediately got back to the camera and we cannot see the grid lines, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings to the defaults. So basically that's all. This is how to reset camera preferences in your Samsung Galaxy M14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.